I just have to show you this. Come here, Halo. Good bird. Let's go over here. Say hi. Good birds! I don't know if you could see that, but they both said hi at exactly the same time. Or didn't say it, but they, waved. I'm having so much fun. Hi! Yes, Henry, you spun. Hi! Halo! Oh, Halo. Fine. Hey, Henry. Hi, Henry. Good bird. Good boy. Now. Okay. Come here, Halo. Come here, Halo. Good bird. Good bird, sweetie. I know, I can't give you a treat because I have to hold the camera too. Just thought I'd show you these guys. I love them to death. They're not mine. Oh! Which sucks, but I love their owners, so I get to see them all the time. Hee. Okay, see you later. Oh, Halo. Hello. Hello. You're such a good girl. You're a silly good girl. Yeah.